Growing a Twitter following is extremely hard, especially if you don't have the right strategy in place. But I went from 0 to 100 followers in just 2 weeks, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact same process that I used to achieve it. And it all starts with having an optimized profile. Your profile is your calling card, so make it count. Right from the banner, to the profile picture, to the bio. Your banner has to be visually appealing and says what you do. For example, in my banner it looks extremely clean and it says exactly what I do. I build landing pages for content creators. And next we move on to your profile picture. Your profile picture has to be a high quality picture of yourself, either face on or side on to the camera with a little bit of a smile, just to make it a little bit more inviting to those people coming to your profile for the first time. Using a picture of yourself in your profile picture just increases the trust of your profile, so that's why I encourage you to use one. And next we move on to your bio. Your bio has to describe what you do, what you've done, including your achievements, and what you're building. For example, in my bio I've put that I'm in a 9-to-5 but I'm also an entrepreneur that helps creators increase sales through optimized landing pages. And it also helps if you include a figure in your bio as well. For example, I've worked with over 6 clients, so I've decided to include this in my bio just to increase my trustworthiness. So adding a figure to your bio can showcase impact and social proof. At the end of the day, people follow you for 3 main reasons: aspiration, relatability, and guidance. Aspiration, you're where they want to be. Relatability, you are where they are now. And guidance, you can get them to where they want to be. The next most important thing after profile optimization is networking and engaging. This is the #1 route to growth on Twitter. So I've been on Twitter 1 month and I thought it'd be cool to show you the networking stats that I've achieved over the past month since joining Twitter. So I've had conversations in the DMs with over 110 people. I've networked and engaged every single day on Twitter. I've had 10 valuable Google Meet calls with over 10 people from around the world, and I've signed 7 clients since joining Twitter. Bear in mind at the back end of June 2023 these stats were all at 0 and it's now August 2023, so it shows the progress that you can make in just 1 month of being on Twitter. The thing is, you can do it too, and I know you might class yourself as an introvert, but you've got to take that first step, because trust me, it will change your life. Now, DMs are such an important part when it comes to networking on Twitter, and you never know, that next person you might DM might be the person that gets you to 1k a month. It's true when people say that your network is your net worth, which is why it's so important to network on Twitter, and Twitter is a great place to do it. Provide value to someone, engage with someone's tweet, and send them a DM. Then that could be the thing that changes your life forever. Now moving on to engagement, and remember this saying, engagement is king. It's engagement that's going to get you profile clicks. It's engagement that's going to build your relationships with other people on Twitter. Firstly, you have to help and genuinely provide value. Secondly, celebrate other people's wins. And thirdly, connect, build quality relationships. And mix all of these 3 things in with a bit of personality, and you've got the formula for success in your engagements. Let me introduce you to a method called Dream 100. It's a method that I use to help to increase the amount of times I engage in a day and the speed of which I engage in a day. Firstly, set up a private Dream 100 list on TweetDeck, and then curate about 50 to 100 accounts of your ideal audience. Then engage on their posts every single day with valuable comments. Then 3 to 10 minute sessions daily, you're going to be engaging on those posts right before your scheduled tweets. And when you're engaging with your Dream 100 list just before your scheduled tweets go out, it gives your scheduled tweets a little boost in the algorithm, meaning it's pushed out to more people in the For You feed. By the way, if you really want to fast track your growth, whether that be on Twitter or on your journey as an entrepreneur, then I suggest hitting the subscribe button. I'll be sharing my journey, how to build a successful brand and business, and how to create your own dream life. So if that's for you, then hit subscribe and join this community of dream builders that are going to help each other to achieve their own dreams. After you've got an optimized profile and you've nailed down your networking and engaging strategy, you want to focus on creating quality content. The content that you create is based around your personality and the skill that you choose to monetize. And I keep this simple by sticking to 3 types of tweets every single day. I do 1 growth tweet showing some sort of transformation in my life, 1 authority tweet showing my skill, and 1 personality tweet where I just show a piece of my personality inside of a tweet. It's important to know that to win on Twitter, you have to add in personality to your tweets, because people can find value everywhere online, and the only thing that they can't find everywhere online is you. And it's always important to provide high quality content. The higher quality your free value, the more you can charge your service for in the future. Think of it like this: if you provide the sauce, then people will pay you to cook with that sauce. And if you double down on what works well for you, then that's when you'll see growth. Frameworks are great for beginners and help them to get started in their journey, but frameworks alone aren't enough. So if you're looking for a strategy that's going to help you to get clients on Twitter, then I suggest watching this video right here, where I talk through my cold DM strategy and the strategy that helped me to get 5 clients from sending out 15 cold DMs in my first 2 weeks on Twitter.